Okay guys, now let's make a start passage 3 and only the lucky winners will reach passage 3. Some students don't reach passage 3 and that is the result of poor time management. Always remember, do not spend more than a minute on one question, and especially the question which is irritating you. Irritating question is the one you can't find the answer. You're looking around and you can't find the answer, leave that immediately. This is where your time will be killed and your management is going to be very poor. Okay, so don't spend more than a minute. You can go back to that question later or leave that question, because such type of questions drain your brain as well. Then you'll not have more energies for other questions. Now, this is passage 3 and they say you should spend about 20 minutes on this, but I say you should spend around 25 minutes on this. 15 minutes on passage 1, 20 minutes on passage 2, and then rest of the time here. Research for anti-aging pill. Pill means tablet. Anti-aging means if you eat that tablet, you will never get old. Right? Anti-aging pill means you eat a tablet and you will never get old. You say, for the last 5 years, I'm 17. Okay? So, it's that. Then they say in government laboratories and elsewhere, scientists are seeking a drug able to prolong life and youthful vigor. Like people should look young and all that. Studies of caloric restriction are showing the way. So they've got all these things. Now you understand? The whole passage is about research into anti-aging pill and all that, right? Now, after this, we'll go to questions. And we see what are the questions. The first type is yes, no, not given. Got it? 28 to 32. The second type is 33 to 37. We call it matching. And in part 3, matching question type is very common. You frequently get matching. And the last questions are 38 to 40. And those questions are complete the flow chart below. Now, where should you start from? Okay, I would advise you to start from 38 to 40. Why? Because 3 questions, sentence completion, and you can easily find your answers and all that. Okay, now let's see. Okay, we are doing 38 to 40. So now it is not necessary to follow the question order. You need to see your own convenience. For me, which type is easier and difficult. Choose no more than, and these 2 words will be chosen from the passage. Okay. All right. Write your answer in boxes 38 to 40. How a caloric restriction mimic works. And then this is CR mimetic. CR. Look for something like CR. Or look for ATP. In the middle they have given ATP. Look for ATP. Okay. Now listen. If you cannot find one clue word, look for another. If you cannot find that, look for another. So we found ATP. And ATP is in the last paragraph. Now what does it mean? It means your answers are going to be in the last paragraph. Right? So anyways, now let's read question. Question number 38. Please follow me. Less dash. Now they talk about CR mimetic. Less dash is processed. Now what? Less is processed, right? And answer will come before ATP. Theory 1, Theory 2 before ATP and CR mimetic. So please now come to the passage. Last paragraph. Good. Yeah, we've got this last paragraph and there we've got this line. Okay. This is cells use this ATP is here. Right, and then this say the molecule that powers many activities in the body by limiting food intake, caloric restriction minimizes the amount of glucose entering cells. So minimizes the amount of. Now minimize means less. Minimize the amount of glucose means less glucose. So answer is glucose. See the word, focus the word less. Less dash. And for less, they use the word minimizes the amount of glucose entering cells and decreases ATP generation. So answer is glucose. Why glucose? Because they said minimize the amount of, and for that they use the word less glucose. So question number 38, answer is glucose. Okay, now let's see question number 39, please. It's after ATP, and it's theory 1 and theory 2. So there are two theories. Theory 1, cells less damaged by disease. Okay, cells are less damaged by disease because, what's the reason? Because fewer dash are emitted. What do they mean by emit? Nikalna. Yeah, emit. So cells less damaged by disease because fewer dash are emitted. Focus fewer and focus emitted. So we go back. Yeah, we go back. It's the sixth last line of the same paragraph. All right, one possibility. Found it? Yes. Everyone? One possibility. One possibility relates to ATP making machinery's emission of free radicals which are thought to contribute to aging and such age-related diseases as cancer by damaging cells. So one possibility relates to ATP making machinery emission of free radicals. Now let's just go on. Which are thought to contribute to aging. So emission of free radicals, one possibility relates to which are thought. Now we need to see another hypothesis, that is the second theory. So the first theory is all about it. Okay, I'm looking for the word fewer. Cells less damaged by disease because fewer. Okay, got it. Let's read on. Please follow me. They say clearly, same paragraph, I'm reading it again. One possibility relates to ATP making machinery emission of free radicals, which are thought, which means free radicals, which are thought to contribute to aging and to such age-related diseases as cancer by damaging cells. Reduced operation of the machinery should limit their production. There means radicals, free radicals. So, reduced operation of the machinery should limit their production and thereby constrain the damage. So, their production means reduced, right? So, there means free radicals. So, the answer is yeah, free radicals, not just radicals. Full answer is free radicals. Yeah. Just a second. Question number 39, answer is free radicals. Okay, question number 40, theory number 2. Please follow that. Yes? Okay, let's go on. Cells focus on dash because food is in short supply. Now cells focus on something, and that is theory number 2. And for theory number 2, they use the word another hypothesis. So cells focus on something because food is in short supply. Let's go back. Same last paragraph. Can you see another possibility? Yes, sir. All right. Yeah. Another hypothesis, Another hypothesis suggests that decreased processing of glucose could indicate to cell that food is scarce and induce them to shift into an anti-aging mode that emphasizes preservation of the organism over such luxurious as growth and reproduction. All right. It's just not glucose. We've used glucose already. Cells focus on. Read again. Another hypothesis suggests that decreased processing of glucose could indicate to cells that food is scarce and induce them to shift into an anti-aging mode that emphasizes preservation. That anti-aging mode emphasizes preservation. Preservation of what? Preservation of organism over such luxuries as growth and reproduction. So answer is preservation. Okay. No, you may write 2 words, but correct answer is preservation. So once you know correct answer, you will write it. First is glucose, 38 is glucose, 39 is free radicals, and 40 is preservation, and all 3 answers are in the last paragraph.